So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome and introduce myself. My name is Stephanie and I am the host of the channel. And if you are returning, hey guys, welcome back and thank you for sticking with me through everything. In today's video, I just have a really quick shout out to influencers. So if you want to see what that's all about, then keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, so very quickly, Influencer did send me a box, but before I get into this, I just want to quickly say that this is a beauty channel. We do all things beauty, both inside and out, for the mind, the body, and the soul. So we are not limited to cosmetics and skincare and hair care. However, we do talk about them and we do go over them, and I do utilize them on this channel. However, we do talk about more than that. We do more than that. It's, I want to say beauty for the mind, helping you get into the right space, or helping you through something. If I can make you laugh, guys, I'm exactly like I am. I say it a lot. What you see on camera with all the things that I do, the silliness, and I'm not doing that on purpose. That's just me, and I'm like that in everyday life. I mean, I always say my poor husband, but he's got it really good. But anyway, I am exactly what you see is what you get, and nothing more, nothing less, Nobody judges anyone here, and you can definitely be yourself. And it's a place to come and learn about makeup and, maybe walk away in a better mood. And if that's the case, if I can make you smile, make you laugh, then that's what I'm here for. And of course, like I said, playing in makeup, reviewing makeup, skincare, hair care, going over boxes, unboxings, subscriptions, monthly subscriptions, a lot of subscriptions, new releases, things like that. Utilizing the products that we do get in the box. I will try and use them, tell you if they're worth it, and so on and so forth. And I do have an active giveaway going on. So I'm not sure when you're going to see this. So please, if you have not entered, please, I will link that down below. Please go over and watch the video in full. There are some rules you have to follow. And yeah, please enter. It's open international, and come all, come many, is what I say. Now, this is to Influencer. Very quickly, I want to say, now this thing is a mess, guys. I don't even want to touch it, but I have used it. Now, I will tell you, I have used it on my hair, and I don't know if you can tell. I absolutely can tell the difference. It does work. However, I just want to say one thing. Okay, when you open up the box, I can't believe this thing came opened up. I don't know why. It's all over the place. Now, I wiped it off and sat it back in here, and it is, I don't know, I think that the top is just broken. Now, we do, oh my God, what the heck is that? Oh no. Drop something again, it's me. I do a video without dropping anything, question if it's me. The body snatchers didn't come get me. Okay, so, wow, this just keeps opening and opening. I have shut these things 1,000 times, and it's all over the box. So we're just gonna quickly get through this. This is from mauimoisture. Now, guys, I swear my eyelash is coming off. I think it is. This is probably going to have to be the last one of the night. Probably because I got all teared up on my last video. Okay, so that's what happens. My eyelashes come on. See, I'm just like everybody else. No more, no less. I'm just an average chick, that tries to do things with makeup. Anyway, so this is from mauimoisture. Now, I have had their products before. I have used their Volcano Ash shampoo and conditioner, and I loved it. Okay, I loved it. It made my hair so shiny, and it was like it really cleaned it, but then it really conditioned it, and it made it really soft. Now this is a different variation, and I am liking it. I did use the shampoo and conditioner. That's not spilt out. There's nothing out of this one. So I have used this multiple times. As you can see, it's up to here. It's down to here, and that was all me. Okay, so I did use some of the conditioner. That's spilt out, and that's down here. I did not use that much conditioner because in this set you have the moisture. It's called mauimoisture hair care lightweight curls, which is me, flaxseed shampoo. Okay, and now flaxseed is very good for your hair. In case you don't know, I forget exactly why it's good, but I do know. I think shine. I could be wrong, and strength, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. But this one here, Okay, all about, okay, here, this is the lightweight curls and flaxseed conditioner for fine to medium curls, which they're mine. Okay, that's what I have. Now, it's gentle, it defines, and it shines. Pure flaxseed, quenching chestnut water, sorry, and sheer citrus oil. It's silicone and, you know, all the good, has all the good stuff and none of the bad. Now, this is what I use, and although I did use it wrong the first time, but I have since used it again. This one doesn't leak at all. Okay, so this is a spray pump, and what this does is, I'll read to you really quickly. It says lightweight curls and flaxseed curl refresher mist. Now, you can only use a little bit of this. I made the mistake of like really going in with it. Well, what happened was, when I had my hair all scrunched the way I do, you know, I don't blow dry my hair. I, you know, flip my head over and I scrunch it up and I slap it on top of my head, and it stays there till it's dry. That helps along the curls, okay? Because my hair kind of like, parts of it curl and other of it's straight. It doesn't ever want to know what it wants. That's what I'm trying to say. This is a vegan hair care. It's paraben and silicone free, of course. And again, for fine to medium curls. Now, what I did is I used too much and my hair just didn't curl at all. It was like, ugh. It was like, ooh. And it, I mean, it was, yeah, I had to wash it right away again. I kind of was like, wow, I think I may have used too much, but I just stuck it on top of my head hoping that, you know, for the best. Yeah, but that didn't happen. So now I know better. You only need a little bit. And what I do, guys, is I put it on my hands and I work it through my hair. It's almost foolproof that you can't use too much because, you know, it's on your hands, and if you use too much, it'll drip off your hands. So I just take like maybe one, I think I was using 2 to 3 pumps and rubbing it through the hair. And it has made my hair it smells divine. I mean, it really does smell good. I wish y'all had smell of it. My hands are yucky. Absolutely makes my hair super shiny. And it does help define the curls. So this is, of course, wash night. This is my last video for the evening. Or I think I have one more, I'm not sure. But yeah, this, it has helped. And I've noticed there's not a lot of flyaways. There's not a lot of frizzies with it. So I do like it. So, you know, shout out to Influencer for sending this to me. And yeah, thank you very much. I think it was Influencer. Yeah, it was Influencer. I get some stuff from people and I don't know where, so I have to look at the card. But yeah, this was Influencer. And again, mauimoisture. Like I said, I have tried them before and they make wonderful products. So very happy to get this. Again, thank you, shout out to Influencer and to mauimoisture. You guys can read more about it over on my Instagram. I will be posting about it. And I want to do like a check-in after I use maybe like half the bottle, you know, I don't know, continuous washes, and see if it's made my hair any better, worse, whatever. And yeah, so I'm going to go, and I want to just thank you for being here. And until the next one, guys, remember, stay safe. See ya.